Do you think November is the time to wrap up your garden? Think again. While the trees may be shedding, November is actually a hidden gem for bringing fresh color to your garden. So, if you want to brighten up those dreary days with vibrant hues, stay with me. I'm about to show you the best plants to grow this month that'll give your garden an incredible pop of color all winter long. Hey there, garden lovers! November might not scream gardening season, but trust me, it's a great month to start planting if you want rich, vibrant colors through the colder months. Today, I'm sharing some amazing plants that not only survive the chilly November weather, but actually thrive in it, adding an unexpected splash of color to your garden when you need it most. Violas and pansies. Let's start with a classic violas and pansies. These little flowers may look delicate, but they are surprisingly tough and can handle colder weather. Plus, they come in an array of colors, from deep purples to bright yellows and oranges, perfect for cheering up a November garden. Plant them now and you'll enjoy their blooms all winter and even into spring. Ornamental kale and cabbage. Next up, ornamental kale and cabbage. These plants aren't just hardy, they're gorgeous. With their vibrant pinks, purples, and greens, they add a bold, leafy texture that's eye-catching and unique. Plus, they only get more colorful as temperatures drop. Just plant them in a spot where they get some sun and you'll have a winter wonderland of color. Winter blooming camellias. Now, for a shrub that's all about elegance, winter blooming camellias. These beauties start blooming as early as November, offering stunning rose-like flowers in shades of pink, white, and red. Camellias love cool weather and make an excellent addition to garden beds or large containers. Just imagine those gorgeous blooms opening up on a chilly morning. It's magical. Hellebores, the Christmas roses. Hellebores, also known as Christmas roses, are a wonderful choice for November planting. These perennials might look fragile, but they're incredibly resilient. They bloom in winter with soft pinks, greens, and whites, bringing a gentle color to shaded areas of your garden. Hellebores are also deer-resistant, so they're perfect if you live in an area with wildlife. Winter heather. Looking for low-maintenance color? Winter heather is your answer. This plant stays green year-round but bursts into shades of purple, pink, and white as the temperatures drop. It's perfect for filling in garden beds or borders and is a magnet for winter pollinators if you're trying to support local wildlife. Just plant it once, and you'll have easy color every year. Cyclamen. And last, but certainly not least, cyclamen. This is a winter superstar with its unique heart-shaped leaves and pink, red, or white flowers that seem to defy the cold. Cyclamen are great for both indoors and outdoors, so you can place them in your garden or even keep a few in pots around your porch or windows. They love cool weather and can last for months, giving you color well into the new year. So, there you have it! November isn't just a month to say goodbye to your garden. It's an opportunity to make it shine. Whether you choose violas, winter heather, or even a few camellias, you'll be amazed at how much color you can have, even during the coldest months. Just imagine walking through your garden on a chilly morning and seeing all those beautiful blooms. If you're ready to keep your garden colorful this winter, give one of these plants a try. And if you've got any other cold weather favorites, share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what's working for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more seasonal gardening tips and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. See you in the next one and happy gardening!